Check it out, guys. What is this? What is this? Legos in a paper bag. No more plastic, it's all paper now. Not just new, fantastic new. Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have more Lego building blocks, but this time it comes with sustainable packaging. Okay, so what we got is Lego Minecraft The Lush Cave Fight, and it comes with this skeleton dude with bow and arrows, and also this female Minecraft tractor. I don't know what's the name of her. I know the guy is called Steve, but what is her name? Please comment below if you know her name. And she's jumping down from this platform, about to slay the skeleton with her epic diamond sword. Here we have the scale of the brute. It is cool. And it look sustainable packaging. You can recycle this. Environmentally responsible forestry. That is great. That is great. I gotta tell this. Paperback, it feels good. I like the feeling of it. Let's see how well it opens up. Ooh. There's some. It's easy to open without any scissors. That is great. Look. So there we have your pieces. Not so many pieces. It only has 40 different pieces. And this one is designed from ages up to 6. Now, since this is paper and you can't see through it, you have to be careful not to miss any pieces. Now it's empty. Look, it looks like a food packaging, like maybe oatmeal was here. Yeah, very good, very simple. Let's see the tutorial. Ooh, Lego Minecraft 30705 is the Lego serial number. So this one, and this is the guide. It's two-side guide. Well, let's go ahead and build it up. We're gonna go speed mode. We're gonna build this super fast. Let's go. I'm the fastest Lego builder in the world. So this goes here. Then I have this piece. Goes here. And what is this? Some kind of plant. Let's put the plant here. Boom. And oh, I forgot one step. I thought it was gonna go like this, but it actually goes like this. So this one we missed. Maybe some mushroom, I don't know. Boom. Nice. Ooh, we gotta put another plant off top of the plant. Wow. And then we have to find this. Finding these Lego pieces is the hardest part when you're doing this video at the same time. Because you are like, you have a pressure of finding the piece. Otherwise people will turn the video off, so you have to be fast. You have to be fast, okay? So we found that, Then we put these small yellow pieces right here, like this. Boom. It's almost done, halfway done. And yeah, I missed one block here also. This one goes here. And this is supposed to go here. It's interesting, like there's like a gap here. There's a small hole here. So yeah. And then we got like this kind of piece. Oh, next page. Look, almost finished. This is easy to build. I built this Lego Technic like garbage truck before. This took like 1 hour. That was hard to make. It's even a video on my channel, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. What it means right now? What does it mean? You have to put under it this small brown thing, okay? Like this. Boom. Small green blocks to the side of this. And then we have flowers. Is this a flower? I don't know, it looks like a flower. Boom. And boom. Well, this is gonna be a complicated piece. Look, now we have to put like these small green ones in the middle of it. It's very rare that they utilize this middle piece instead of these side pieces. Like it goes inside like this. Because now it's moving like this, like helicopter. Oh, did I put it in wrong place? Yeah, I did. Here we go. But look, it's like helicopter. Okay, and what next? We have put more flowers here. So one flower over here. And one, then we put this. Or did I make some mistake? Yeah, I did make, I put the other way around, okay? Well, I don't think it matters where the flower is, it's just decoration anyway. It doesn't have any functionality. But we put this here. So now, this on top. And also the flower on top. Yeah, that's how you do it. And more flower to the side also. Boom. So now it's like this. And it goes on top of this. Okay. What next? We have so many pieces left. What do we do with all of them? So we got this hand piece. Look, it looks like a Lego tractor hand, and we have to put it here. Oh, it's gonna be like a platform. Look. So this goes here. No, let's put this first. The guide says put this first. That's what we're gonna do. Boom and boom. And now we have this kind of moving thing. Very interesting. What is this? And now it's supposed to be ready, but I still have more pieces left. I guess we assemble the tractors. So this is for the Minecraft girl. Where is the head? Oh, I was searching for like the circle-shaped head, but I forget this is Minecraft. So even the head is like block-shaped. Boom. Nice. Boom. Nice. Look at this diamond sword. This is epic. It's hard to get diamond sword in Minecraft. I played it before and it's hard. You have to dig deep and you have to like kill off the zombies, and the problem with Minecraft is you have to also eat in the game, so you can't just dig, you have to find food, eat, and also the equipment gets worn out, like you have to make new swords all the time, new shovels, and everything has to be remade. So it's a race against time also. Oh, look at this. Wow. These are annoying in the game. They just shoot you like a sniper. And they have a very good accuracy. Nice, it stands very nicely on its own. And it just fell down when I said that. Yeah. This tractor is really light. But this one is more heavy. So does this go like here? Yep. Let me zoom in on this one. Let's zoom on the action. So this one goes here, and this one goes here, and like on the picture, see it jumps. Then it disappears. Then you get the loot, the experience. So it comes with like, I don't know why they come up with so many extra pieces. If you want, you can maybe like decorate this more, like you can put this here, you can put another flower here, you can put this brown thing over here maybe. And we have also extra yellow piece. Maybe you can put this yellow piece here and pretend it's a coin that you can use to buy stuff from the village. Well, it doesn't actually stay there, but it was a good idea. What if we do like this? It has a very small head now. And now it has like neck ring. You know, in those primal villages, they have stretched their neck to make it longer with these kind of like necklaces. But yeah, that's a good idea for Lego, just for free. Make a primal village Lego set with long neck. Just put all of them here like this. Boom. So yeah, these are the tractors, and this is the Lego platform. It's supposed to be like cave, I guess, and this is water maybe. And the skeleton dude with the bone arrows. So yeah, this has been Lego Minecraft, the Lush cave fight. Now I think this is really great set. It only cost $3.99, which is crazy because you get 2 figures and also this many extra pieces that you can build anything that your imagination makes up. Like the minifigure of Legos, that's already more than $3.99. So how does this whole set cost that? $3.99. I even sold one Lego figure for €5 at like eBay type of thing. And this one comes with 2, so great deal. And also really like how they make this packaging paper, because it's good for the environment. Plastic is not good. And also good for Finnish economy, because we have a lot of forest companies that makes paper and pulp, and when you have more companies changing packaging to paper instead of plastic, our economy benefits. And the countries that make oil, they are like losing, because you need oil to make plastic. So Finnish economy is gonna be #1 soon with the paper packaging. Thank you. Yeah, I give this product like, well, I'm not gonna give it a rating, it's just Lego. Well, let's give it a rating. I give it like 9 out of 10. What I would like to improve is make this platform maybe more interesting. It's just this, what is this platform thing here anyway? Like, I don't really get it. So make this more interesting and put Steve instead of this girl, and then it will be perfect. Because Steve is the main character of the Minecraft, like we will see soon in the Minecraft movie. Maybe this one also should have an arrow, Lego arrow, so 9.5 out of 10. Lego, get my improvement points and implement them. I'm gonna put buy link down below if you wanna get the same set. And yeah, as always, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next epic consumer goods expert review. I'm Myro, and thanks for watching.